Miss, I can't see anything on screen. Okay, now I can see it.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome, dear students, to our science class. My name is Miss Al-Anud. These are our classroom rules. Sign in on time, find some quiet place to study, and I want you to listen and look at the screen. Raise your hand, answer when teacher calls your name. Do not draw on the screen and do not talk to your friends, okay? Today is Tuesday. It's 15th of September 2020, and we're studying Science, Unit 1, Lesson 1. What is science? After a week of studying all that, I'm very sure now you know what is science. We are going to do Sum It Up. I think it's page 12. Can you make sure, guys? Is it page 12? Or 14?
It's page 14.
It's page 14. Excellent. Good. So the first thing I want you to read the summary and fill in the missing words. Of course, using your vocabulary lesson. You can go back through your book to use your vocabulary lesson. Find them. I think you are familiar with it already right now. You can find it highlighted with the yellow highlighter. So it's okay to go through your book to find out the answer. But please, guys, I want you to think. Take a moment to think, okay? I want to see how do you understand, if it's all good or not. So, who wants to start?
Me.
Miss, I didn't get my book yet.
It's okay if you didn't get your book yet, my dear Fayrouz. You will get it inshallah soon. And the answers will be sent to your email, okay? But you can read from here with me and you can participate here with me, okay?
Miss, I know.
Now, Tala, can you start, please?
Yes. The goal of a scientist is to understand the natural world. To do this, a scientist plans and conducts observation.
Or you plan what? Do you plan observation?
No.
You plan what? Starts with the I. If you know the answer, you can just say it. Anyone?
Investigation.
Excellent. Is that you, Maria?
No, Jenna.
Jenna.
No.
Jenna. Good job, Jenna. Good job. Let me see. Oh, I have a star. Okay, good. This is a star for Jenna. Great job, Jenna. Okay. Next. You plan and conduct investigation. Scientists use the what they gather to draw. To draw what? So they use something and then they gather to draw something. They draw what? Do they draw themselves? They draw experiment. They draw hypothesis. They draw conclusion. They draw what? They use informations or they use observations. Guys, are you there?
I got stuck.
So, we said that the goal of a scientist is to... Can you read, Tala, please? From your book?
It's slow. I don't have my book.
Okay, so who have it?
Me.
Okay, can you read, please?
Me?
Yes,
Me or Maria?
Maria.
The goal of a scientist is to understand the natural world. To do this, a scientist plans and conducts an investigation.
Excellent. Then scientist uses what? They use the something they gather to draw a something. Who knows it? They use what? When they do their investigation, they are looking for something. Looking for what? Jude, do you have any idea? Are they looking for hypothesis or looking for an inference or evidence or conclusion? What do you think?
A conclusion.
Oh, so they use the conclusion to draw what? Do they gather conclusions? Oh, please, dear, focus just a little bit. Think with me. They draw what and they gather what? They need to collect what? When you make your experiment, what do you want from this experiment?
I know.
Okay, tell me, Tala.
Analysis.
No. Okay, Tala, listen to me.
I remember what's the word. It's with C, but I don't really remember it.
C? Is it really with C? Maybe with E. Okay, what about, okay, tell me now, answer this one. If they are making experiment, why they are making this experiment? They want to make sure
They can conduct.
And, yeah, they want to conduct their experiment. Investigate. Okay, they want to make sure if you are saying the right thing or not. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay, if they want to make sure that you are making the right thing or not, you need a proof. Is that right?
Improvement.
Evidence. So scientists use the evidence they gather. They gather evidence from their experiments to draw what? A result or
a conclusion.
Excellent, excellent. What about a good scientist does not let his or her personal beliefs or something influence their study? A scientist does not let his or her personal beliefs or what is a personal beliefs? What do you call it?
Opinions.
Yes, excellent, excellent. Influence their study. It doesn't have to influence your study. It doesn't have to affect your study. Excellent, excellent. Now, number 4, there are many important skills that scientists use. For example, when scientists do what? They use their observation and prior knowledge to determine what is happening. They use what from their observations before, their knowledge before. What do I call it?
Infer.
Maybe. Let's see. Excellent. So the first one is investigation. And number 2, evidence. They gather to draw a conclusion. And a good scientist does not let his or her personal beliefs or opinions influence their study. And as you said, guys, infer. There are many important skills that scientists use. For example, when scientists infer, they use their observation and prior knowledge to determine what is happening. Good job, good job. Don't worry, guys. If you don't have time to write down, I will be sending you the answers after we finish. Okay, guys?
Okay.
And also we have it from the under of the book.
What?
We have the answers from the book.
I know that, but as we used to, I'm very sure that you are not looking at the answers and you are thinking with me, because if you are thinking, you're letting yourself to understand. Now, read each of the statements below. Write the science skill that each student used. So you have 5 boxes over here. I want you to read the box for me and tell me what science skill did this student use. Now, let's start with Feiruz, please. Angela, number 6. Angela made what?
Angela made a list of how the 2 planets were alike.
So, what did she use? Did she predict, infer, hypothesize, compare? If you want to... Excellent! The stars go to Feiruz. Excellent, excellent, Feiruz. Let's see. Number 7. I want Jude to read an answer. Crystal? Jude, are you there? Okay, the turn will go to, let's see, Amal. Amal?
Yes.
Okay, can you read number 7?
Crystals. Crystals sorted the rocks into 5 groups based on the color.
Excellent. So she did just like yesterday. The taxonomist. She did something about the butterfly. What did she do?
Classify.
Excellent. Excellent. This star goes to Amal. Let's see. Tina. Tina, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, read for me. Number 8. Robbie.
Robbie explained the results of his investigating to his classmates.
So, when you explain your result to another one, what do you call it?
I don't really know.
Okay, you have your information. Did you share this information with others?
Yeah.
So what do I call it?
I know, Miss, I know.
I think Tina knows too.
Okay.
You can try, Tina. Thank you, Tina. You can try harder next time. Now, let's see. Jenna, can you answer this question?
Okay.
Hmm.
And the result of his investigation to his classmate.
Communication.
Okay. Now let's see. Mariana, is it correct? Mariana, are you there? What about Judy? Judy Ala, are you there?
Yes,
Okay, she said communicate. Is it correct or wrong?
it's right.
What about you, Tala? What do you say? Is it correct or wrong?
It's infer.
When you explain the result of the investigate, is it infer?
No. Wait.
Okay, what about you, Jude? What do you say? Is it communicate?
Yes,
Miss, I
it's
have another answer.
It is communicate. Thank you, guys. Now, Dimitri noted how the feathers looked and felt. Oh, see? He used his sight and his
Miss, I
hand.
know.
Okay, I want... Mariana, are you there?
Yes, but she's muted.
Can you unmute your microphone, Mariana?
Mariana.
Okay, Maria. Can you answer this question, Maria?
Yes.
Okay, Dimitri noted how the feather looked and felt. Then he used what? What
It's
method?
5 senses
So,
and it's observe.
excellent, excellent. Bravo, bravo, bravo. Number 10, Amal, Juan organized the steps of the process from the first to the last. So she used what?
Order.
Excellent, to classify. She used order to classify. She classified by order. Excellent. Now, Angela used compare, Crystal used classify, Robbie communicate, and Dimitri observe. Juan used classifying by order. All right? Good. Now we have 5 more minutes. So let's see. What do we have here? Okay. On my left side or right side, you have a yellow box, okay, full of lesson vocabulary and other vocabularies we learned in this lesson. We learned about classify, communication, knowledge, observing, evidence, opinion, inference, order, inference again, and order again, investigation, and science, okay?
Okay.
Let's see, guys. We want to fill this crossword puzzle, okay? Be ready. I will underline the most important sentences. So if you want to underline with me, feel free, guys. But I will need you to be focused and try to solve it. Of course, the time will not help us because only we have 3 minutes. Definitely we'll do it tomorrow again, okay? And the answer we'll send you after we finish solving all, sum it up, brain check, and apply concept. Is that clear?
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
So number 1 across, the study of the natural world through investigation. What do I call it? Number 1 across. What is it? Is it communication? Is it inference?
No.
What do you call it?
Miss,
Yes, Feiruz? What is the study?
Observation.
No. What is the study of the natural world? Yes, Jenna.
Knowledge. Investigation.
No, guys. The study of the natural world. Maria.
Miss, I know.
Yes.
Science.
Excellent. It is science. So the study of the natural world is science. Good job. Okay, collecting information by using the senses. This is very easy.
I
Yes,
know.
Tala. Yes, Tala.
Inference.
No, when you use your senses to collect information, what do you do?
Absorbing.
Observing. Excellent, excellent. Now, number 6, an idea or conclusion based on an observation. See, you observe something, you make an idea or a conclusion. What is it? Are you making inference, or you are making evidence or opinion, or what you are doing? When you ask a question about something you observe, what do you do? What do you make? You make a statement. What is this statement? Is it knowledge, evidence, or yes, excellent. It's inference. Good job, dear. Facts and information collected over time. See? Over time. You have informations. You collected them over time. Is it classified?
Classified.
Are you sure?
Evidence.
Evidence by time, information, facts and informations?
Oh my God, so hard.
No. What about knowledge? Do you call it knowledge? What is knowledge?
Knowing about like things.
Yes, knowing about things, a lot of things during a lifetime. See, your knowledge, you gain your knowledge through your years of studying in primary school. This is how you get your knowledge. See, so knowledge is about informations collected over time. Okay, guys?
Okay.
Now we are going to stop here, my dear students. Tomorrow we will complete. After we finish all, sum it up, I'll be sending you the answers to your email. Thank you for listening, guys. I'm so happy to be with you. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Bye-bye.
Bye, Miss.
Bye.